As someone who has made thousands of dollars at 17, I can say that affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money. But at the beginning, I didn't know the power of affiliate marketing and I didn't know how to start. So in this video, I want to be a guide to those who want to start affiliate marketing and are like me when I first started. In this video, I will show you everything step by step and I will give you different methods so you can choose the one for you. This video is going to be a detailed video so I can help everyone. Let's first start with what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services from a company and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through your unique affiliate link. Basically, you're making money, you're earning commission by promoting an already existing product to your family and friends or generally anyone on the internet. And here's the first step that comes in: choosing your niche. Now, choosing your niche is important because in order to sell a product or service to someone on the internet, they obviously need to be interested in that. These niches can be anything like finance, health and fitness, clothing, technology, and etc. But here's the thing. Not all niches are the same. Some niches are more saturated, some niches pay you more money, and some niches are not that interesting to people and they don't pay good. So you might like a niche, but that doesn't mean you're gonna reach your goals with this niche or be profitable. Because some niches just don't pay as much because the products in that niche are very cheap. Now in my case, I didn't really have a problem with that because my niche were finance and making money, and usually finance and making money stuff, they pay good on the internet. Also, a faceless channel of mine which is in a technology niche, the technology niche again pays good, and the channel is not yet monetized, but I'm already making money from that channel with affiliate marketing. Right now I'm not on thousands, but the channel is still making me hundreds of dollars. Maybe it's not that much, but again, it's not yet a monetized channel, so that means it has less than 1,000 subscribers. It's not that bad. But also, don't dive headfirst into a niche just because it pays good and you have no idea what it is, what it's about. Try choosing a niche that you still are somehow interested and you know something about, so you can, if you're gonna write a blog about it, make videos about it, or promote it, you still have some idea about the target audience, like what would they want, why would they buy it, and stuff like that. But now let's jump into method 1. Method number 1 is action affiliate marketing. The biggest example for the action generation is Sweatcoin. I have done this method myself, and as a proof, I can show you my dashboard. As you can see, I have made $670 and I still have money to claim right here. $25, which I can claim it twice, so that means I can get another $50 from that. So I have made over $700 with this method, and I can take that money to my PayPal, which I did. The $670, I withdrew them to my PayPal. Now, Sweatcoin is an app that pays you cryptocurrency for walking. It converts your daily steps into Sweatcoins, and then you can get discounts from different brands and shops, convert them into PayPal balance, or use them as an investment since they are cryptocurrencies. As you saw, I also use Sweatcoin. I have it on my phone. I just keep it in the background because it's something passive, but this is not what I want to talk about. So in the past, I have made videos about Sweatcoin on my other YouTube channels, and Sweatcoin actually has an affiliate program which is called the influencer program. And in order to get into that program, you just need to invite 20 people to download Sweatcoin. Like, it's really easy to do, like only 20 people. You can do that with family and friends alone, and once you invite 20 people, you will see the influencer hub onto your phone on the app, and you can withdraw $25 once you invite 90 people. Like, this is the lowest threshold, but there are also other thresholds like $100, $200, $500, $1,000. Now, $25 for 90 people might not seem much, but scaling this method is quite easy. Like, once you invite people, the only thing they need to do is download a free app. You don't ask them to buy a product, buy a service, or like spend money. They're just gonna download a free app, and they will also start making money with this app. So it's a no-brainer. When it comes to promoting Sweatcoin, I think Sweatcoin can fit into many niches because, like, I was in the finance niche and I could make a promotion about Sweatcoin, like you make money by walking. So it was like making money in the finance, so I could promote it. You could also promote it like if you write a blog about animals, pets, because pet owners usually tend to walk outside, go to parks with their dogs, cats, so they walk and they can make money by walking, so you can promote it. Method number 2 is Amazon affiliate marketing. There is no surprise that Amazon affiliate marketing is in this list because Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the world, and they have an affiliate program called Amazon Associates that I personally use, as many other creators do. To get started, all you have to do is go to Google and search for Amazon Associates and then sign up. Then you can promote every single product that you see on Amazon. And here's a good thing about Amazon affiliate marketing. When you take a link on Amazon and promote that link, someone clicks that link, and even if they don't buy the product, like the specific product that the link led to them, if they go and buy another product in the first 24 hours after clicking your link, you still get paid. Like, they click your link, and in the next 24 hours, if they buy something completely random from Amazon, you still make money. I think that's cool. Now, I know that Amazon is the most trustworthy platform on the internet to buy stuff. But there is a downside to it. The commission rates on Amazon are pretty low, like 3 to 5% on most products. To see the commission rates, just go to Google and search for Amazon affiliate commission rates. It's this website, and here you can see all the commission rates for each product in each country. And as you can see, most products usually pay from 2% to like 6, maybe 7%. So this is usually how much you're gonna make. Like, 2 to 7% maybe. This is why I also want to mention this next method, which is the method number 3, that is high ticket affiliate marketing. High ticket affiliate marketing is what helped me to make thousands of dollars from affiliate marketing. You can't only rely on people buying products in order to make money with affiliate marketing. You also need a recurring affiliate income that doesn't solely rely on people buying new products. To access high ticket items, you need to use sites like Impact, PartnerStack, or ClickBank. My favorite is Impact and is the one that I mostly use, so the link to Impact is in the description. And yes, it is an affiliate marketing. I'm being 100% transparent here, so if you sign up with that link, you support me. But once you come to Impact, you can create your free profile, and then you can access thousands of brands affiliate programs. You can apply for the ones you want and then get an affiliate link to promote. This is my Impact dashboard, and these are the brands that I'm working with right now. Bluehost, I've never promoted them, so these are the 3 main ones: Shopify, Gelato, and Envato Elements. Shopify is a great one because when someone signs up with your link to Shopify and makes sales, you get $25 to $150. Or Gelato is also a great one. I get paid 15% for the online sales that other people make. The people that signed up with my link, they make sales and I get paid with that. Envato Elements, again, I get paid for the subscriptions. So if someone signs up with my link to Envato Elements and they keep using it, I every month make money from that. Method number 4 is software and brand affiliate marketing. And this method is another great way to make a recurring income with affiliate marketing because software companies usually tend to have a subscription-based memberships. So if someone start using them, they're gonna keep using them for a long time because it's a membership. They pay them money every month. Some examples are Notion, Canva, Epidemic Sound, Etsy, Adidas, and many more. Let's look at Notion for example. I did sign up to their affiliate program, but I have never promoted the link. I might do it in the future, but here are the rewards. They pay 50% commission on the first year of each customer and 50% commission for AI upgrades for the first year of each new customer. 50%. Now, I know Notion is a free app to use, so not everyone is gonna spend money on it. But there are a lot of people who do. And if we check Notion's plans, we can see that the Plus plan is $10 per month. And we get 50% from that, so that makes $5 per month, just from one person. Or if we check the AI upgrade, again, it's $10 per person, per member, per month. Again, it's $5 per month for us because we get paid 50% commission, and that's just for one person. Now, $5 might not seem much, but this is a subscription-based membership, so if someone likes this, they're gonna keep using it because it makes their life easier, and they're gonna pay $5 every month. So it's a recurring income. The only thing that's left to you is scale it, invite more people. That $5 can go to 10, 30, 50, $100, $500, and because they're gonna keep using it, maybe not all of them, but most of them are gonna keep using it, so that's $500 every month from the same people. So the only way to go is up. Alright, these are the methods that I would recommend you to start affiliate marketing with. All these methods are 100% scalable and you can make tens of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing with these methods once you start growing them, once you get into that mindset, once you start inviting more and more people and repeating this process. That's pretty much how affiliate marketing works. You keep inviting people, you keep promoting your links. Every time someone buys a product, buys a service, or subscribes to a membership, you make money. But now you're probably wondering, how are you going to promote these links? How you can drive traffic to your links? Now, I'm gonna give you some examples and also share my favorite one. You can start a blog, write articles in your niche, and include your affiliate links in those articles. You can start an Instagram page, create posts, stories, and reels in your niche, build an audience, and promote your link to those people. You can use paid advertisement to promote your affiliate links, or you can use my favorite one, which is creating a YouTube channel. YouTube is my favorite because on YouTube, you can build a stronger audience because you create long-form videos and people can connect to you emotionally, get to know you better, and trust you more. Also, YouTube videos are not like TikTok or Instagram videos where they blow up for a time, for a week, for a period of time, and they stop getting views. But YouTube videos are not like that. A YouTube video can get views after weeks, months, or even years. So in my opinion, YouTube is the best way to do affiliate marketing. Okay, now you're ready to do affiliate marketing. But guys, there is a really important thing that I want to say to you, and that is that you will not see results immediately. Like, you won't start making thousands of dollars immediately. So don't get discouraged. It's quite normal. Like, I didn't start making thousands of dollars in 2 days. It takes time, but those who don't quit, they will make it. Focus on the long run. Start small, and once you get into the mindset, you can think bigger and you can scale your business. Also, if you want to start a YouTube channel to promote your affiliate links, but you don't want to show your face, don't worry, I got you covered, because in that video, I show you how you can become a YouTuber, how you can start a YouTube channel without even showing your face. So, I'll see you over there. Bye-bye.